how to play the U.S. Air Force theme, Off We Go Into the Wild Blue Yonder, in the key of C. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. I'm playing it in the key of C. The original key that bands usually play it in is the key of B flat. It's a little easier in the key of C on the piano. And let's start with the melody. E, G, G, F, E, D, E, F, F sharp, G, A, C, C, D, C, A, G. Does it again. E, G, G, F, E, D, E, F, F sharp, G. Then it changes here to B, D, D, C, B, A, G. We do it again. E, G, G, F, E, D, F, 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 E, D, E, F, F sharp, G. A, C, C, A, B, C, B, E, C, C, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D, D, E flat, E, D, C, E, C, E, C, D, C. And up to tempo. Play those, if you can, try to separate those triplets instead of, but you want to separate the notes so it's almost like wind instruments would. And then there's that fill, give her the guns now. There I add an octave G's. And to get that little vocal sound, I have it on a choral piano sound, so that gets that little vocal sound. Now the bass, your bass is basically going to follow this pattern: C, C sharp, D, G, C, D, D sharp, E, F, C, F, F, C, C sharp, D, G. So it'll do that over and over again. Now when we do the introduction is a little different. The melody goes E, G, 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 A, B, C, A, G, F, and G. And then the bass you're going to go C, D, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, E flat, D, G. So, and then we're into the melody. So. That's the intro. I'll go slowly so you can watch it. And then we're into the piece now. Now let's put the bass and the treble together and you can see it, and I'll go slowly. So these go up in tenths there. C and E, D and F, D sharp and F sharp, E and G. So hold the G, C, C sharp, D. Then when you play this G in the left hand, then you fill with that F, E, D triplet, and then we go right back to the melody. Then here, when the melody turns up B, D, D, we're going to go D, B, B flat, A, D, G. And then when you hit the G, then you go to, you're going to walk it down. You're going to walk G, F, E, D, C, C sharp, D, and we're right back to that. In the right hand, you're going to have to give her the guns now, and we'll play it with octaves. So you have give her the guns now. So we'll play that from the right here. A, B, C, B, and when we hit that B, we go G, G flat, F, down to E, C, and then G, G flat, F, then we go to the A, G, F sharp, so. So that it goes fast right there at the end. It goes A, G, F, F sharp, G, A, D, G, C, and hit this C with the little finger. C, E, A, G, E, C, C. Now with hands together. So the E flat and the F sharp go together. And then in the right hand, just go G, A, B, C. Just kind of, and in the left hand, you hit a C for that little stinger note. So up the tempo. And it gets tricky to get that, and get it clean. There you have it, the U.S. Air Force theme. Off we go into the wild blue yonder. Key of C. Hope you enjoy playing it.